You've made an investment in fun and fitness, and you're putting it all together, but have hit a roadblock. You have questions. We've got your guide. Say hello to Eugene.
Hello, my name is Eugene, and my job starts here in the warehouse. My job is to make sure that our team gets you the right pieces, the right amount of pieces, and the right colored pieces, so you can have a smooth and easy install for your play system.
We got the 2 clamps instead of the 4 clamps down there.
Oh.
So we got the 2 right parts from on the list.
Yep, we got it.
Awesome.
Eugene also works hand in hand with the AAA State of Play sales team. Really hand in hand. Okay, you can all let go now. If you're having trouble assembling and installing anything you ordered from us,
Eugene can help with that.
are you missing parts, pieces, think you have the wrong hardware or color?
Eugene is here to help.
Are you missing any instructions? Or you're just not clear about what goes where?
Eugene is here to help.
Is it raining on your picnic? Or is your toaster broken? But if you're trying to cope with installation anxiety or uncertainty, Eugene is here. His job is to make sure you're good to go.
My job does that in here at the warehouse. Once your structure is shipped and delivered, I am here to answer any installation questions you may have.
Sometimes, even with the best people, all the parts in place, there are still questions. That's where Eugene leaps into action. It's almost like he's right there with you.
Thanks, Eugene.
Whether he's working the phones, the computer, or the warehouse, Eugene's here working for you 24/7. Well, make that more like 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. After all, the man's got to sleep. Thanks for watching, and thanks, Eugene. You can take off that hat now.